The symphony orchestra is a pinnacle of hierarchy. The seating arrangement, the conductor's podium, first chair positions, it's all built on hierarchy. But here's the limitation. We're not maximizing creativity across that hierarchy. A top-down model means creativity is a one-way street. Musicians are being told what to do, and doing it well has become the focus. This actually stifles the very thing that drew musicians to music in the first place, their creative voice. So the solution? Well, we don't need to dismantle the entire hierarchy. Orchestras have real constraints: repertoire, time, budgets, the need for precision. We can work within all that by allowing creative agency back into the hierarchy. Here are 3 ways to do it. 1. Elevate the rank of musicians. The conductor can keep their status, and we can elevate the musician's status too. Ask about their artistic experience. Give them a voice. 2. Practice transparency. Show people the why behind decisions. This builds trust for when you are ready to invite their creative input. And 3. Expand the scoreboard. Don't just reward precision, celebrate teamwork, creative problem solving, musical risk taking as well. Which one seems within your reach? Which small practice could you commit to today? My name is Tiffany Chang, and this is Conductor as CEO, where I'm curious about ideas that help us become better arts leaders. If these ideas resonate with you, please consider signing up in the link below to receive an email with each new blog post sent directly to your inbox. Thank you and have a great day.